Welcome to Plant Realm, a place where we discover the beauty of nature, one tree at a time. Have you ever wished for a tree that looks absolutely stunning, without demanding constant care? The truth is, some of the most beautiful trees in the world are also some of the easiest to grow. They don't require endless pruning, constant watering, or hours of maintenance to stay healthy and impressive year after year. In today's video, we're counting down 10 incredible low-maintenance trees that can completely transform your yard while saving you time, money, and effort. Whether you're creating your dream landscape or simply looking for a tree that won't become a weekend chore, there's something on this list for you. And make sure you stay until the end because our number one pick is one of the most reliable, beautiful, and low-maintenance trees you can plant almost anywhere. Before we get started, if you enjoy beautiful trees, landscaping ideas, and practical gardening tips, don't forget to subscribe to Plant Realm and give this video a like. It really helps us create more content like this. Now let's begin. Number 10, Crepe Myrtle. If you want months of vibrant color without constant work, it's hard to beat the Crepe Myrtle. This tree produces spectacular blooms throughout the summer in shades of pink, red, white, or purple, bringing life and elegance to almost any landscape. But its beauty isn't the only reason homeowners love it. Once established, Crepe Myrtle is remarkably drought-tolerant, handles intense summer heat with ease, and rarely requires frequent watering. It naturally develops an attractive shape, meaning very little pruning is needed compared to many flowering trees. Its peeling bark also provides year-round visual interest, even after the flowers are gone. For anyone looking for a tree that delivers maximum beauty with minimal effort, the Crepe Myrtle is an outstanding place to start. Number 9. Eastern Redbud. Some trees only shine for a few weeks each year. The Eastern Redbud is different because it announces the arrival of spring like almost no other tree can. Before its leaves even appear, its branches become covered with hundreds of vibrant pink blossoms, creating a breathtaking display that instantly transforms any yard. Despite its delicate appearance, the Eastern Redbud is surprisingly easy to care for. It adapts well to different soil types, grows at a moderate pace, and usually requires very little pruning to maintain its naturally graceful shape. Its heart-shaped leaves create soft shade throughout the summer, and in autumn they turn beautiful shades of golden yellow, giving your landscape another season of interest. Another reason homeowners love this tree is its manageable size. Unlike massive shade trees, the Eastern Redbud fits comfortably into small and medium-sized yards without overwhelming the space. It's also an excellent choice for attracting pollinators. Bees and butterflies are naturally drawn to its early spring flowers, helping create a healthier and more vibrant garden ecosystem. If you're looking for a tree that delivers spectacular seasonal beauty while asking for very little in return, the Eastern Redbud is one of the smartest choices you can make. And if you're already discovering new trees you'd love to plant someday, let us know in the comments which one is your favorite so far. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's continue. Number 8. Ginkgo. Few trees on Earth have a history as remarkable as the Ginkgo. In fact, it's often called a living fossil because it has existed for more than 200 million years, surviving dramatic changes that wiped out countless other plant species. But its incredible history isn't the only reason homeowners love it. The Ginkgo is one of the toughest and lowest maintenance trees you can plant. Once established, it tolerates drought, heat, cold, air pollution, and even urban environments with very little care. Unlike many ornamental trees, it rarely suffers from serious pests or diseases, making it an excellent long-term investment for almost any landscape. Its unique fan-shaped leaves give it an elegant appearance throughout the growing season. Then in autumn, the entire canopy transforms into a brilliant display of gold and yellow, creating one of the most breathtaking fall landscapes you can imagine. One important tip: if you're planting a Ginkgo for your yard, always choose a male variety. Female trees produce fruit with a very unpleasant smell, while male trees offer all the beauty without the mess. Thanks to its slow, steady growth, the Ginkgo naturally maintains a beautiful shape with very little pruning, making it a favorite among homeowners who want a stunning tree without constant maintenance. If you're looking for a tree that can stay beautiful for generations while asking for almost nothing in return, the Ginkgo is an outstanding choice. Let's move on to number 7. Number 7. Japanese Tree Lilac. If you're searching for a tree that combines elegance, reliability, and almost effortless care, the Japanese Tree Lilac deserves a spot at the top of your list. In early summer, when many flowering trees have already finished their show, this beautiful tree begins producing large clusters of creamy white blossoms that fill the landscape with color and a light, pleasant fragrance. Its flowers don't just impress people. They're also highly attractive to bees and butterflies, helping support a healthy and thriving garden. One of its greatest advantages is its remarkable adaptability. The Japanese tree lilac tolerates a wide range of soil conditions, handles urban pollution extremely well, and remains surprisingly resistant to many of the pests and diseases that commonly affect ornamental trees. As it matures, its attractive reddish-brown bark begins to peel slightly, adding texture and visual interest throughout the winter months when many landscapes look bare. Unlike trees that constantly drop messy fruit or demand frequent trimming, the Japanese tree lilac naturally develops a balanced, upright canopy that stays neat with very little maintenance. Its moderate size also makes it an excellent choice for front yards, patios, sidewalks, or smaller residential landscapes where space is limited but beauty is still a priority. If you're looking for a tree that offers beautiful flowers, four-season interest, and years of dependable performance without creating extra work, the Japanese tree lilac is an outstanding choice, and we're just getting started. Number 6. The October Glory Maple is a tree that transforms ordinary landscapes into breathtaking autumn displays. Known for its incredible fall color, this maple creates one of the most dramatic seasonal changes you can find in a garden during the warmer months. Its leaves remain deep green and create a beautiful, dense canopy, but when autumn arrives, everything changes. The leaves slowly turn into intense shades of bright red, creating a stunning contrast against the landscape. One of the reasons homeowners love the October Glory Maple is its ability to hold onto its leaves longer than many other maple varieties. This means you can enjoy its spectacular colors for an extended period during the fall season, growing quickly and developing a beautiful rounded shape. It works perfectly as a shade tree, a front yard centerpiece, or a statement plant for large landscapes. The October Glory Maple is also known for its adaptability, tolerating different soil conditions and growing well in many regions. If you want a tree that brings beauty, shade, and unforgettable seasonal color, the October Glory Maple is a remarkable choice. Which of these trees would you love to plant in your yard? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorite. At number 5, the Autumn Blaze Maple. If you're looking for a tree that combines rapid growth with spectacular autumn color, few can compete with this remarkable hybrid. The Autumn Blaze Maple is famous for growing much faster than many traditional maple trees, allowing homeowners to enjoy a mature-looking landscape in just a few years. Throughout spring and summer, its lush green canopy provides refreshing shade and creates a vibrant backdrop for any yard. But its true show begins in the fall. As temperatures drop, the foliage transforms into brilliant shades of fiery orange and deep crimson red, creating one of the most eye-catching displays in the landscape. Beyond its beauty, this tree is also incredibly resilient. It adapts well to a wide range of soil types, handles both hot summers and cold winters, and requires relatively little maintenance once established. Its strong branching structure also helps it withstand storms better than many fast-growing trees. Whether planted as a shade tree, a focal point in the front yard, or lined along a long driveway, the Autumn Blaze Maple adds year-round value and unforgettable seasonal beauty. At number 4, the Nellie R. Stevens Holly. If you want year-round privacy without waiting decades, this evergreen tree is one of the best choices you can make. The Nellie R. Stevens Holly is prized for its dense foliage, creating a natural green wall that stays beautiful in every season. Its glossy dark green leaves provide a rich, elegant appearance, adding structure and color even during the winter months. One of its biggest advantages is how quickly it grows compared to many other evergreen privacy trees. With proper care, it can form a thick living screen that helps block unwanted views, reduce noise, and create a more peaceful outdoor space. In spring, small white flowers appear among the foliage, later followed by clusters of bright red berries that attract birds and add extra seasonal interest. This tree is also highly adaptable, tolerating heat, humidity, drought once established, and a variety of soil conditions. Whether planted along property lines, around a backyard, or as an elegant landscape feature, the Nellie R. Stevens Holly delivers beauty, privacy, and lasting value for years to come. If you're looking for a low-maintenance evergreen that works hard in every season, the Nellie R. Stevens Holly is a fantastic investment. If you want fast growth without sacrificing stunning fall color, the Autumn Blaze Maple is an outstanding choice at number 3. The Serviceberry. Few trees offer beauty in every single season quite like this one. In early spring, its bare branches become covered with delicate white blossoms, creating a breathtaking display before most other trees have even started to leaf out. As the flowers fade, fresh green foliage fills the canopy, providing a soft, elegant appearance throughout the summer. Then something even more special happens. Clusters of small purple-blue berries begin to ripen, attracting songbirds while also being edible for people. Their sweet flavor makes them perfect for jams, pies, or simply enjoying fresh from the tree. When autumn arrives, the leaves transform into brilliant shades of orange, scarlet, and golden yellow, giving your landscape one final spectacular show before winter, even after the leaves have fallen. Its smooth gray bark and graceful branching structure continue to add beauty throughout the colder months. Compact, low maintenance, and packed with year-round interest, the Serviceberry is an excellent choice for homeowners who want beauty, wildlife, and seasonal variety all in one tree. If you're looking for a tree that offers something special in every season, the Serviceberry is hard to beat. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, don't forget to subscribe. We share the best trees, plants, and landscaping ideas every week. At number 2, the Japanese maple. Some trees impress with their size, but the Japanese maple captures attention through pure elegance. Its graceful branching, delicate leaves, and sculptural form make it one of the most admired ornamental trees in the world. Throughout spring and summer, its finely textured foliage creates a peaceful, sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for gardens, patios, and landscape focal points, depending on the variety. The leaves can display stunning shades of deep burgundy, vibrant red, rich purple, or fresh green, but when autumn arrives, the transformation is simply breathtaking. The foliage bursts into brilliant shades of crimson, scarlet, orange, and gold, turning the tree into a living work of art, despite its refined appearance. The Japanese maple is surprisingly versatile. It thrives in partially shaded locations, prefers well-drained soil, and requires only minimal pruning to maintain its naturally beautiful shape, whether planted beside a walkway, near a pond, or as the centerpiece of a carefully designed garden. The Japanese maple brings timeless beauty and unmatched elegance to any landscape. If you're searching for a tree that looks stunning in every season, few choices can rival the extraordinary Japanese maple. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Thuja green giant. If there were a perfect tree for privacy, beauty, and fast growth, this would be one of the strongest contenders. The Thuja green giant has earned its reputation as one of the most popular privacy trees in North America, and for good reason. Growing up to 3 to 5 feet per year under ideal conditions, it quickly forms a tall, dense living wall that blocks unwanted views, reduces noise, and creates a peaceful outdoor retreat. Unlike many fast-growing trees, it combines speed with impressive durability. It resists many common pests and diseases, adapts to a wide range of soil types, and tolerates both hot summers and freezing winters with ease. Its rich emerald green foliage stays vibrant throughout the entire year, providing beauty and privacy in every season without dropping its leaves. Whether you're creating a backyard sanctuary, shielding your property from nearby neighbors, or designing a stunning landscape border, the Thuja green giant delivers exceptional results with relatively little maintenance. It's no surprise that professional landscapers and homeowners continue to choose this remarkable evergreen year after year. If your goal is to add beauty, privacy, and long-lasting value to your property, the Thuja green giant truly stands above the rest. Which tree was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Plant Realm, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next plant inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.